This is the demo of ConnectPath's integration with Salesforce. As you can see here, we have our Salesforce screen up, and we're going to show three key capabilities within this integration: click to call, CTI flows, and present sync rules. So you'll see down here, I have a phone icon, and if I click that, I've already logged into ConnectPath, and you find the familiar ConnectPath interface with all of the familiar ConnectPath features. We can simply minimize this when we need to work directly within Salesforce. So I'll open an account. Of course, we're not limited just to accounts. We can use contacts or any other record type that supports a phone field. And as soon as I click this, you'll see ConnectPath pops back up in the modal within Salesforce, and my phone will begin to ring. For now, I'll go ahead and hang up and show what happens after the call ends. Here we have that account record still up on my screen. We see that we've created a task, right, indicating that there was a call made. And we can also see, upon expanding here, we even have a voice call record created against that account record for that call that I just made. Conversely, if I were to make an inbound call, which I'll go ahead and initiate right now, we'll see this account screen match on the phone number and then screen pop up that record. We're not limited to just inbound and outbound voice calls as well. We support any of the same channels supported both in Connect and ConnectPath. So that's voice, text such as SMS, MS, email, and a variety of other channels. So here we are, I'm available. I will get that call routed to me in just a moment, and we'll see that screen pop in action. Here we go, and I can go ahead and answer that. And as we see in the background, it's open to the record. And again, we have that task logged, and down at the bottom here, we have our call record as well. Right now, you'll see none of these fields are populated. If I were to go ahead and end this call, what will happen behind the scenes is the record that we just looked at will be updated. So we could look at an earlier record here. We get all of the attributes of that contact. We get the link to the voice recording, the transcript, or the transcript and the voice recording in this case, and then the actual transcript text itself broken down by agent and customer. We'll go ahead and close these tabs out here. So how does this work behind the scenes? We have three states for which we're initiating flows for. We have the flow that's initiated when the contact comes into the system. And as you could see, you could do just about anything you wish within Salesforce through these native flows. And then when the contact is ended, we're updating the call object. And then finally, when that recording is ready, because that sometimes takes 5 to 10 minutes along with the transcript, we have a special web service we've built that's integrated into ConnectPath, in which those records will be updated with the appropriate fields. Finally, we support present synchronization rules. I've got an example here. This allows us to detect for a given source, whether that's Amazon Connect or Salesforce, as well as logout events. And then when those events are triggered, we're going to match the states against a given value, and then we're going to set that status to that particular environment's defined list of statuses. So if you're using omnichannel within Salesforce and want to make an agent unavailable to receive a contact within ConnectPath through Connect, this is where you would go ahead and do that. So that completes the initial demo of ConnectPath within Salesforce, and we're looking forward to continuing to build features as we get feedback from our customers and partners.